Jorns AG, professional machinery and equipment for metalworking. Quality and innovation from Switzerland. Kurt Jorns started out in 1973 with a staff of 5. Since then, the company has grown continually, and today it's one of the market leaders in bending machines. In 2005, management of this family-run company passed to the second generation, in the person of the business management graduate Mark Jorns. The entire team is committed to optimizing existing products and generating new and innovative engineering solutions for sheet metalworking. The focus here is clearly on customer and user demands. A dynamic team of experienced engineers and designers skillfully translates the specifications into finished products using the very latest computer-based systems. Parts production is carried out exclusively using CNC-controlled machines. Only highly qualified and specially trained staff work in the production area. Their technical expertise and experience combined with the modern machinery ensure reliable manufacturing processes of the finest quality. Jorns AG uses the very latest magnetic clamping devices and expansion clamping systems to hold the workpieces. The machines and equipment are fitted by experienced specialists. All the components used for this have been subjected to exacting and comprehensive quality checks. Continuous quality control is the basis for the reliability and durability of all Jorns machines. The control components are wired up in the Jorns electrical department and are only connected when the machines are finally installed. This ensures that the know-how remains within the Jorns company. Surface refinement is carried out in the company's own highly skilled lacquer work shop. If required, the machines can be sprayed to the customer's individual paint color specifications. Once fitted, the machines are thoroughly tested in extensive test runs. Only if they pass these with no errors whatsoever are they approved for dispatch. DIN ISO 9001-2000 certification attests to the high quality standards. Jorns only collaborates with dependable partners to ensure reliable and punctual delivery. The company's dynamic office team engages in regular active dialogue with the customers. The main task for the whole team is to identify the user's precise wishes and needs, and then to offer product solutions which meet these in full. Modern human resources management, covering everything from basic vocational training through to advanced further training courses, guarantees the staff's expertise and know-how. The extensive store allows the rapid delivery of spare parts and accessories. Replacement components for older models are also kept in stock. The expert service team is on hand to assist customers and users at all times. All the control units can be simulated on the service tower, ensuring efficient troubleshooting and problem solving. Jorns AG, a reliable partner for customers in Switzerland, Europe, and all over the world. Here now is a selection of the Jorns product lines. Jorns manufactures the normal line units for 1, 1.25 and 1.5 millimeters, the maxi line for 1.5 and 2 millimeters, the super line for 3 millimeters, and the multi-line in all versions for an extra insertion depth of 1.250 millimeters in 3, 4, 6.4, 8, 10 and 12.2 meter lengths. All models can be made with a range of options such as 1.5 or 3 millimeter shear, material thickness adjustment and upper cheek tool pre-tensioning. Different CNC graphic control units are available to meet customers' individual needs. The Jorns double bend machine comes in a semi-automatic version, the twin bend, and in a fully automatic version, the twin-matic. In this range, Jorns uses 2 bending tools, allowing sheets to be bent positively and negatively. This considerably reduces the degree of handling required by the user. The twin-matic is equipped with a clamp finger and an over-gripping finger, allowing fully automatic bending of the sheet, even conical bending. The twin-matic and twin bend are available in the given range of specifications, dimensions and options. The MSC Mini Service Center is the most economical and professional solution for machining sheet metal of thicknesses between 1.25 and 1.5 millimeters. All components such as the loading carriage, decoiler mandrel, strip cutting line, scrap chopper and rewinder mandrel can also be incorporated individually in existing systems. The movable cut-off bench can be used to manually trim sheets of up to 1 millimeter in thickness. To meet more exacting demands, Jorns AG also produces compact strip cutting lines, decoiler and rewinder mandrels for 2 and 3 millimeter thicknesses. These machines are individually designed to customers' own specifications. Find out which solutions are available to meet your particular requirements. Jorns AG, your partner for professional sheet metalworking machines.